This is the final exam review in biology grade 8. Question 1. Indicate the true statements and correct the false ones. Allah, the enzyme trypsin is found in the gastric juice. False. How do we correct it? Or how can we correct it too? It's found in the pancreatic juice. It's found in the pancreatic juice. Or we can say instead of trypsin, we can say pepsin. Okay? Fine. Hassan, B. Does not contain enzymes. True. So it is the only liquid or juice in the digestive system that doesn't have enzymes. Ali, C. Starch and lipids are carbohydrates. Starch and sugar are. Yes. So instead of starch, we should write lipids. Okay. So sorry, sugars. So starch and sugars are carbohydrates. Okay. Last one, Badia. D. True. So the enzyme maltase found in the intestine transform maltose to glucose. Question 2. To verify that enzymes are necessary in the chemical digestion of food, a student realized the following experiment. So we have the 4 steps of the experiment. He gave us the legends, and number 1, schematize the steps of this experiment by using the legends in the adjacent document. So first of all, we have 2 tubes, A and B, like this. He said he puts 5 grams of starch. So we use this type of arrow. So we have 5 grams of starch. 5 grams starch. The second step, he said he adds 1 milliliter of distilled water. So you use this type of arrow, which is a dotted one. We have 1 milliliter water. Before the last step, he said he adds amylase only to tube B. So here we have amylase. Then in the last step, he placed the 2 tubes in a water bath. So we do it like this. A water bath. We have the 2 tubes, A and B, at temperature 37 degrees. And we put a title for the figure, diagram showing the conditions of the experiment. Hamad, part 2. Pick out the hypothesis tested in this experiment. Read this. Of food. So where did you find it? Enzymes are necessary in the chemical. Yes, it's given the first line, the chemical digestion of food. So whenever we say pick out, it's already there. You have to just write it down. Digestion of food. Okay, good. After 20 minutes, he adds to the contents of both tubes several drops of iodine water having brown-orange color. The content of tube A becomes dark blue in color while the content in tube B remains brown-orange. Number 3, Selena, indicate the tube in which digestion of cooked starch takes place. Specify the answer.
Tube A.
Why?
Since the negative result indicates the absence of starch.
Yes, since the negative result of iodine test, yes, indicates the absence of starch. Indicates the absence of starch. Then our last one, number 4. Name the substance resulting from the complete digestion of starch. Yes, it's glucose. And this is done in the small intestine where maltose is changed to glucose under the effect of the enzyme maltase. Question 3. Spallanzani, Italian biologist, realized the first experiments on in vitro digestion, which is done outside the body. After extracting gastric juice from the stomach of hen, Spallanzani realized the experiment schematized in document 1. Ella, number 1. Describe this experiment using the legends, document 1. So in tube 1, what verb did we use? We put. Okay, good. Then what? We also use the same verb, we put. Good. Then what? We add. Now we use another verb, add, since we have this arrow. Okay. We add what? Gastric juice to both tubes. Then the last step. Good. We close both tubes with wax lids. Good. Number 2, Hassan. Explain why Spallanzani placed the 2 tubes under his armpits.
Because the experiment requires 37 degrees
Celsius. Good. This is the body temperature. So, since we need temperature of 37 degrees, which is the same as the body temperature. Good. The obtained results were the following. Meat disappeared in tube 1. Wheat flour did not disappear in tube 2. Number 3, Ali, analyze the obtained results. What can you conclude?
Repeat experiment 1.
Okay.
We add meat in tube 1 and 2. In tube 1 we took gastric juice, and tube 2 also took gastric juice. And meat 1, in tube 1 the meat disappeared.
Okay.
In tube 2, the wheat flour didn't disappear.
Conclusion.
We conclude that gastric juice can digest only proteins.
Good. Remember, when we analyze an experiment, you mention the condition. And like we did in tube 1, we have gastric juice with meat. After 3 days, this leads to the disappearance of meat, whatever. So you mention the condition, then you say it leads to the result, the obtained result. And your conclusion is about the gastric juice was specific in the digestion of proteins, and it can only digest proteins. Okay, good. Okay, in question 4, the diagram below showed the gradual breaking down of a complex molecule 1. Name the 4 molecules 1, 2, 3, and 4. Badia?
1 is starch.
Yes.
2 is glucose.
Okay.
3 is glucose. 4
4 is H2O or water. Good. Hamad Pardi, give the name of substance A. Yes, substance A is the enzyme salivary amylase. So it is salivary amylase. Selena, last one, C. In which organ of the human body does the above process occur? Yes, it's inside the mouth where we have saliva.